You know, I come in late.
So how much longer before dinner there?
Excuse me.
About 15 minutes.
Oh, can I see the pictures that I drew? Mom.
You? How much? 15? Rich.
Whoa. Look at the little guy reading the ABC book upside down. And here's people watching.
Turn it, Dave.
What?
Turn it, I can't see it.
No.
Yeah, I get it.
Here is here's the guy watching, these two guys are watching a football game eating a lollipop. Yeah.
I can never talk to so hard. I know.
I just see life
too.
and it's all movie cameras. You know,
I know.
Where are you? Oh, there.
Right here. Want to go up in our rooms?
No, I don't want to walk around.
I'll walk it. I'll walk with it. I won't drop it. Come on, please.
I'm recording now.
David
You're
can make.
finding
And
you're
David.
recording a mother-daughter confrontation.
Yeah.
And David can.
Little argument.
David could, you know, say this is this, and I'll be holding it because I won't drop it. Mom, I'm in weight training. I'm sure I cannot lift that.
Lynette, look at
I'm
me.
gonna drop it.
Lynette, look at me.
Come on.
Lynette, look at me. Look at me, Lynette.
Well, don't be putting it like that when you walk up the stairs.
I know because I won't be able to see the stairs.
Yeah, because...
Okay.
All right.
Lynette, wait.
Okay.
Wait, where are you?
I'm right here.
Where?
Right here.
Well, don't get that close. I can't make it all blurry.
I'm right here. Let's go upstairs. Sir.
No.
Yeah, and then we can do the rooms, and then we won't have to do it later.
Take a picture of my whole body. I want to see what my whole body looks like, okay? But don't take a close-up of my face. I hate
No,
that.
Dave. Of her whole body at once.
Can
Not.
you get me all in so I can see what my body looks like? There we go. This is me. Can you get me?
I am trying to. No, I can't.
You scoot back.
All right.
Go back over there.
Turn
Wait.
it off. Turn it off, and then I'll get you back.
Turn.
Turn it off.
I looked at you.
Did you
Wait.
turn it off?
I am. Wait.
Just push the button. I'll hear it. Once.
Okay.
I stand with my hands in my pocket all the time, and it tells me don't stand with your hands in your pocket. And I always do this too.
It works.
Okay, I'm almost getting you.
All right. This is it. Mother and son.
Okay, wait.
What are you doing? Take a picture of that.
No, I'm moving the chair.
Oh, still can get all this? Even with the fanning back?
Yeah. Okay, now I got y'all.
Okay. Another kiss.
Here's
What am I kissing you for?
my foot. Crew. Okay.
Okay, let's dance, baby. Da, 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 do. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
You tried to go downstairs.
Okay, wait. I turned it on. I can barely see you. I know, I was just getting David on the stairs. Oh no.
Now here is Motley Crue. My sister loves Motley Crue.
I'll get a close-up of Vince here. Whoops, far away. That's a good picture.
And there's Vince.
My calendar.
Calendar. Take the picture of that.
Oh, this one? Okay.
And I'll be right here. Here is Motley Crue.
Wait, can it go this way? Here is my closet door.
And there's a wall. Show you a wall back.
There's Vince's here. Oh, okay.
Lots of stuff in their wall.
What's my door, Dave?
Why?
Because I have posters on my door too. Here's my door.
Yeah. Show
Okay.
the pictures up there on the wall.
Here's them in concert. Here's Vince.
Show all your pictures. Back, way back.
I can't get my whole wall, Dave. Pretty soon I'm gonna have pictures of Andrew up here tomorrow.
Sorry.
Yeah, Kelly's giving me her pictures that she has of him. And she has about 20 negatives that she's gonna give to me so I can develop them.
Oh,
This isn't very clear, so I'm not gonna take her.
Get a close up of this. Did you? And then get a close up of this.
Here's above my blinds.
Get a close up of this. Look at. And then look at. And then get a close up of this.
Here's a real close up.
Now let's go on.
Oh, open my closet door. I gotta get my last poster. Oh, there's my headband. And up above my stage. Oh, my little, oh, my tapes.
Get it. Get it. I just stand up here and go like that.
Oh, tapes, buttons. Here's some more buttons. Oh, here's some stuff with Motley Crue.
Here's the poster.
Folder.
Take the poster. Take the poster.
Here's some more buttons.
Take the poster and
Will
it's in my
do.
room. I want to take my room.
Okay. I'll use my other Vandy pen.
I want to take my room.
Yay! Okay.
I love Andy.
Wait, Dave, I gotta... Okay. Here they all are. Okay, now let's go into your room.
Now let's go to my room.
Oh, here's my closet. Oh,
I wanna
totally.
take-
Clothes, okay.
And that one's my room.